we going for this picnic?
I think we're going to, a big hill with grass on it since it's spring.
Are you sure you can drive?
No. But I think I can.
Yeah. Well, how about we get one of the other Trashies to operate the gas pedal and you operate the steering wheel?
How are we supposed to do that? Everybody's inside right now.
I'll help.
Okay. You are gonna do the pedal,
Okay.
Mr. Foul Fistful.
I want to go down here and do the paddling.
Okay, now, when I say fast, you press it really hard. When I say slow, you press it gently, okay?
What about the brakes?
That's a small button.
I'll do the brakes.
Okay, you can do the brakes.
Put me in the brake area.
Okay. Ow. Ow, where's the brake area?
Perfect.
Okay,
Just down there is good.
Okay, now.
What about a spare Trashie and a trash can for the back of the Jeep?
I don't think we should put him. He's too small.
Here's one.
I know.
Look, he's in there.
No. Okay, let's just put him in the back.
All right. He's got room in the back. In fact, he's going to be alone. So let's get his friend. Here he is.
Mm-hmm.
What's his name? Let me see. Leave him in the trash can. It's warmer in there.
Yeah.
Take him back here. All right. So, where are we going again? To the beach.
To
For
the
a
picnic.
On the beach. You got the gas guy
Let's
and
go.
you got the brake guy.
Let's go.
Where's the beach? We're on to the beach. Here we go. We're arriving at the beach. Oh, all right, everybody come out for the beach.
Yay, we're on the beach.
I think we forgot something at home. We
Right.
forgot the food for the picnic.
Don't worry about it. We eat trash. Look, here's some food. Yay!
Ew, I'm not eating a cereal. Get this out of here.
Cherry Fruit Loops.
Cherry Fruit Loops. It's actually strawberry. Duh. Hey, when did I invite you?
I was nearby.
Fine.
I heard you guys hanging out, so I decided to join you.
Oh my god. I just forgot what they said on the news today. That's gonna happen.
Rain?
It's gonna rain Trashies. Oh my god. Or it's gonna rain cats and dogs. Depends. I think it's gonna rain Trashies. Oh my god.
No. A hurricane's dropping a ton of Trashies on us.
Wow!
Ow.
I survived by being on top of the mountain. Wow, that was an earthquake and a half. Look at the carnage. Ultimate fighting Trashies. Awesome!